briquettes. These are environmental friendly cooking fuel, an alternative to charcoal. By inserting yet the materials, then compacting them, and then outputting, so that everything is out. So from this is where we get such a beautiful material, a stick briquette.
I like making briquettes.
This is the next example of a briquette. It is the big honeycomb. It burns for 5 to 6 hours. If you insert this one on top here, and then you light with pieces of paper or burning timber underneath this stove, it will really get ignited up and it will be oozing out these flames, just like you see it burning here.
We found that it's really so wonderful to use briquettes for cooking. It's something so good. You find that you are smart. They don't do that on your hands like the way the real charcoal can that on you. You don't use much of it when you are using the stove. And once it lights, it's really something so good. You don't see any smoke, you don't feel any smell around, because with the charcoal there's some smell and there is some smoke also, which will cause trouble to your life. What's so good about briquettes is that it is really very easy for us to count our consumption of it. We have to see the number, count the number which you are using, and you will not fail to know the number. Other than like charcoal you have to pour just again, another time you add, another time you add. It's not easy really to monitor how you can use it.
These boys at the Drug Rehabilitation Center who participate into the briquettes making business. These are entirely former street-connected children. These are boys who have been picked from the streets and then they are here. So we enrich them with this skill of briquette making, and then we also ensure that these boys are above 14 years of age.
I like learning skill briquettes.
You should never be worried of maybe we would at the time disappoint you if we run out of stock. Maybe our stock is insufficient. You really don't have to worry. Why? Because we really do a stock pipe, and this is just a sample.